Now let me share the screen. There are 4 different cases which I already discussed. Now make a note, like write it on your notebook, inserting a node at the beginning of a linked list. So if you try to add a node, new node in the beginning of the linked list, this is the procedures we are supposed to follow. So now this is already existing linked list which contains 7 different elements on it. What is the first node out of it? What is the first node in this existing linked list?
1, sir.
1. So now we are supposed to add a node prior to 1. Like the new node is supposed to become a first node. So start pointer is supposed to come for the first node. Now for that, first get the node from the memory, allocate memory for the new node and initialize its data part to 9. What it means, get a node from the memory. Memory in the sense, there is a available list like this. There is a available list in the memory and both the lists already, which been explained in the previous classes, like already existing list like this. This is the seven different nodes that are available in the linked list and available nodes from the available list that is also present in the memory. Both are present in the memory, but only thing is this available list contains the number of nodes that are to be inserted into a linked list. Is it clear? These are the nodes which we are going to use and add it to the existing linked list. So we are getting available nodes from the memory. So the same thing is explained here. First allocate memory for the new node and initialize its data part to 9. That means this is the new node, we get it from the memory or available list and 9 was added as a data part. Is it clear? Step number 1.
Yes, sir.
Next, add the new node as the first node of the list by making the next part of the new node contain the address of smart. So what is the next address part of the new node? This is the next address part of the new node. In this one, we are supposed to add the start node. Wherever start pointer points the first node of the list, and on it the data part is 1. So we are supposed to mark that particular value. That is making the next part of the new node. That means contains the address of the start. So this is the start. Suppose think this is the node number 1. Now we are supposed to add 1 here. So that means 9 తర్వాత next node కింద ఏమవుతుంది?
1, sir.
1 అవుతుంది. Now make start point to the first node of the list. Now move the pointer. Still pointer is here itself. Now move the pointer, start pointer from this node to the first node of the list so that 9 becomes the first node of the linked list. Now is it clear, everybody? Manikanta? Mr. Manikanta?
Sir, clear, sir.
Sandeep? Niharika?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందమ్మా ఏం చేసాం ఇక్కడ? Get a node from the memory. This is already explained with the help of a PPT presentation in yesterday's class. Get a node from the memory, add data on it. That is second. First step is get a node from the memory. From where we are going to get it? From the available list. Where avail pointer points it. ఒక నోడ్ తీయగానే దాంట్లో avail pointer becomes next avail అవుతుంది. This is going to be explained. This process is going to be explained in the algorithm. అది చెప్తా ఈ కింద algorithm లో. నా next algorithm is that one only. Now first step is get the node from the memory. Second step is add data on it. Third step is the next address field of the new node becomes the start. Start అనేది దాని వాల్యూని పెడతాం. That means now this link was created. Then move start pointer to the new node. Okay, there are only 4 different steps which helps us towards adding the new node as the first node of the linked list. Now see the algorithm here. If avail becomes null, avail equal to null, And that means no nodes are present in the available list. Then what happens? Can you able to add a new element into the linked list? If avail equal to null, then can you able to add new node?
No, sir.
జేబులో డబ్బులు లేకుండా డ్రా చేయడానికి ట్రై చేసినట్టు ఉంటుంది, లేదా ఏటీఎంలో డబ్బులు లేకుండా. దట్ మీన్స్ యువర్ అకౌంట్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ నోట్స్, దెన్ హౌ టు విత్డ్రా? నో నీడ్. అంటే వీఆర్ నాట్, ఈవెన్ దో ఇఫ్ యూ ట్రై ఆల్సో you won't get any nodes. That's why write overflow. If avail equal to null, then write overflow. Go to step number 7. That step number 7 is exit. Come out. If avail equal to some value, that means some nodes are available in the memory. Then the step number 2 ఏం చేస్తాం అంటే set new node equal to avail. New node అంటే ఏంటంటే avail pointer, where avail pointer points the nodes. So avail pointer now points to some value, some nodes. And wherever avail pointer points, this memory low. This is in memory. So now we are going to get node from the available list. Avail equal to new node equal to avail. Set avail equal to next avail. What is the meaning for this particular step, Sindhu? What is the meaning for this particular step? Set avail equal to avail next and now. Amma, what is the meaning for this? What happens when you run this particular line?
అంటే
చెప్పమ్మా.
అంటే మెమరీ నుండి ఒక నోట్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అది పాయింటర్ నెక్స్ట్ దానికి పాయింట్ చేయాలి.
Yes, this is the diagram for that. So now avail pointer, initially avail pointer points the fourth node. Now avail pointer ఏమవుతుంది? Once memory position after allocation of one node in the list, immediately avail pointer goes to the next node. Ante avail equal to next avail. Next avail ante node number 6. Is it clear to everybody? Manikanta and Niharika?
Yes, sir.
Avail becomes next avail. Malli ide if you try to add one more node, appudu emavuthundi? Then if you try to add one more node, now avail points to 6. After adding one more node, avail pointer goes to next avail. That means 9 becomes the node that is to be added as a new node. Tarata. So like that, for that particular purpose, this is the line we are supposed to write. Set avail equal to avail next. Now you got a node. Ochindi. Now the node is available to you. The previous 2 steps are only available list key. Now you had a node like new node, that is 9. That is this one. Now we are supposed to add 9 onto it. 9 ఎలా యాడ్ చేస్తామంటే this is the step. Set new node data equal to value. Keep some value. Everybody following the content? Once you get a new node from the memory, now our aim is to add some data on it. So this is the one. This fourth step is new node data equal to value. Put some value on the data. Now this is happened. Now put in new node next equal to, we are supposed to identify that start. So set new node next equal to start. New node next mean start, where start points. Initially start pointer always points the first node of the linked list. Kabatti now new node next becomes start. So that means 9 యొక్క next element కింద we are marking as 1. Now set start equal to new node. And move the start pointer to the new node. Then this is the position which we are going to have after running the program for inserting as a new element into the linked list. So now everybody copy the diagram. Copy the diagram along with the algorithm. Hope everybody understood and copying. Number 33, are you copying the one? Roll number 33.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
For inserting as a new element? Roll number 1. Have you understood the concept of adding a new node as a first element in the list?
I see.
Now copy this one. What are all the steps we performed here? First, get a node from the available list, add data on it, and set next pointer of the next address of the new node as start. Now move start to the new node. Only 4 different steps. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now write the algorithm for that. This is the algorithm. So this is the explanation about it. And anyway, you people are having, I already sent the material to you through Edmodo. Hope everybody downloaded it. And yesterday also through WhatsApp, I sent the material regarding the unit 2. So download it and observe it and study in the either through cell phone or either through system. Okay? Roll number 95. 95.
Sir,
Have you understood the concept of inserting an element at the beginning of a linked list?
yes, sir.
Are you copying the algorithm? Have you copied the diagram?
Copying, sir.
Diagram was copied or algorithm copying?
Algorithm.
Now copy the algorithm. We'll move to the next function, that is inserting an element as a end of the list. Sorry. The first 2 steps are related to, first 3 steps are related to available list. Where available list is present in the memory itself. Roll number 68. Is it clear? Roll number 68 and 66. Unmute about yourself and reply. Roll number 66. Sandeep,
Sir.
note down the number 66 and 68
Okay, sir.
and tell them to make a call to me.
Okay, sir.
Have you understood my Sandeep? Ardhainda idi algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Have you copied it? Have you copied the algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll move to the next algorithm, that is inserting a node at the end of the linked list. That means not the beginning, end. So ultimately, how to find end of the end node at a linked list? How to find the end node of a linked list? Anybody? Sindhu or Manikanta?
Null pointer.
Null pointers.
Null pointer placed in the address field of the any particular node, then that particular node is nothing but a last node. Antena? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what we are supposed to change the one is, so this is the explanation. Now initially we had a linked list with 7 different elements. Now allocate memory for the new node and create a new node, get a new node from the available list, and then here initialize its data and add some value on the node, that is 9 is added here, and then on the next address field of the new node add the value that is null. Is it clear? These 2 steps, step number 1 to step number 2. What we did the process, we get a node from the memory through available list and then add data 9 on it, and then add next address part lo add the value that is null for the new node. Now this node is prepared. Now what we are supposed to do, first we are supposed to check in the existing linked list, there is a node which contains null value in the address field, which tells us this is the last node of the linked list. Where we are supposed to add the new node, this node, we are supposed to add the new node which were created by us as a last node. That means in the address field of the last node that is already existing, in the place of x, what is the value which we are supposed to add? 9 betale. When you add x in the place of x, if you add 9, then this particular 5 may not be the last node. the 9 becomes the last node of the linked list. For that, we are supposed to traverse the linked list till where the last node is present. We are not sure that by observing the diagram, we can identify this is the last node, but through the program, we are not sure that which particular node is the last node. So we are supposed to move the pointer till the last node reaches. So for that, initialize the pointer. Anyway, start will be in the first node. Start pointer points the first node. Now we use a pointer variable where it stops whenever the last node is arrives. So how to search for the last node? Because wherever the next address field of the particular node contains null value, then that particular node is ultimately the last node. So we are supposed to move the pointer till the last node reaches. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందమ్మా? ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం? Pointer, take a pointer variable and move the pointer variable till the last node. And how to find the 5 is the data that is contained by 5 is the node, last node, because the address field of the any particular node which contains null, then it is ultimately the last node. So till to reach the last node, we are supposed to move our pointer. We are supposed to check the address fields for all the nodes. 7 address field, what is the value that is contained in 7 address field? Roll number 87. What is the value contained here? ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? 3. And what is the value? Is it null? 3 is null? No. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Three-
No, sir.
Yes, sir. No. Is 3 equal to null?
No, sir.
No. Then we move our pointer to this node. Now we'll check here. What was printed here? What is the value that was here in the address field of 3? Address field of 3 lo ikkade undamma. What is the
4,
value?
sir.
4. Now what? So 4 may not be equal to null. So we move our pointer. Now what is the value that will be here?
2, sir.
2. 2 may not be equal to null. So we move our pointer here. What is the value that is here?
6, sir.
6. So 6 may not be equal to null. So we are supposed to move our pointer to here. Then what is the value that may be here?
5, sir.
5. So we move our pointer. So we check the address field of 5. What is the value that was present here?
Null
Null.
point.
So this is the value which we are supposed to search for. ఇదేనా ఈ వాల్యూ కోసమైనా మనం వెతుకుతున్నాం. We are identifying we are searching for the last node.
Yes, sir.
Now have you reached the last node?
Sir.
Yes. So our pointer is placed here. ఇది. Now move pointer so that it points to the last node of the list. Last node of the list వరకు ఈ pointer move చేసుకుంటూ వస్తాం. Then what to do? We already had a new node with the value that is 9 and with a value of null in the address field. This is clear to everybody now. Roll number 58. Roll number 58. Manikanta, add the number. Pakkan
Yes,
Raya.
sir. Yes.
Roll number 95. Roll number 95.
Sir.
అర్థమైందా ఈ స్టెప్ వరకును? Why we are moving our pointer? Pointer variable is to identify the last node of the linked list. Why? Because we are supposed to add a new node that is 9 and x తోటి ఉన్నదాన్ని we are supposed to add it as a last node కింద కాబట్టి first ఈ node position తెలియాలి మనకి. What is the last node? Then we add the new node as a last node. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా? Next step, read the next step. So this is the next step. So that is add the new node after the node pointed by pointer. That means add the new node, this node, after the node which is pointed by pointer. This is done by storing the address of the new node in the next part of the pointer. So instead of X here, now if you store 9 here, what happens? Address of the new node store చేసామనుకో ఇక్కడ. Then what becomes? What happens to you? To your linked list? ఏమవుతుంది 95?
Point.
ఇక్కడ 9 అనేది యాడ్ చేసామనుకో, then 9 becomes the next node, అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, 9 యొక్క address field లో what is the value that was added in the beginning? That is null. So wherever which particular node contains null value in the address field, the last node. Now this node, the new node became last node of the linked list or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is the procedure for adding a node as a end node of a linked list. So first copy the diagram, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different steps are available, and this is the important step. This particular step is only for the sake of getting a node from the memory and add some data and add null value in the address field. Then next, we are supposed to have initialize a pointer which points initially at start. That means the first node of the linked list, and we are about to move till the end node reaches. A pointer stops where the end node was present. Then we change the address field of the node where pointer points to the new node. Then new node becomes the last node of the linked list. Hope all the students are understood this. Row number 33. Row number
Yes, sir.
3. అర్థమైందా తల్లి?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy this one. Are you copying?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So even though if I supplied the notes, why should I ask you to copy? It means once if you try to copy and make a important note like this points, then only you can understand the linked list in a proper way. Understanding linked list or any particular data structure is very much important for you when if you want to become a software engineer or grab a position in the IT industry. So DS, fundamentals of DS is very much important. Okay, is it clear? All the students, hope everybody completed this drawing. Manikanta, can I explain the algorithm now?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Row number 43.
Yes, sir.
Emma, అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
How to add a new node as a last node of the linked list. ఏమా ఎక్కడైనా ఐడియల్ గా కూర్చోండి అమ్మా, పక్కన ఇంట్లో అందరి మధ్యన కూర్చోకండి. టీవీ
Yes, sir.
పెట్టుకుంటా, సిట్ ఇన్ ఏ సెపరేట్ రూమ్ టిల్ టు కంప్లీట్ ద ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ వర్క్.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా కాన్సెప్ట్? కాపీ చేస్తున్నామా డ్రాయింగ్?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, I move to the algorithm. Now this is what the inserting algorithm to insert a new node at the end as a last node. At the end in the sense as a last node. So this was fully okay. Now I am going for a gap. Okay. Now for that also, this is the algorithm. First, let me explain the algorithm, then you can copy it. Now, if avail equal to null, write overflow, just like the previous algorithm, go to step 10. Step 10 is exit. That means if no nodes are available in the available list, we are not supposed to add a new element. Now, if available list is not empty, then what to do? We are supposed to get the new nodes from the available list. So for that step, set new node equal to avail and set avail equal to available next. So this is the step which we are going to apply till we are supposed to get a new node. Oka node వచ్చే వరకు this is the steps which we are going to follow. Once a new node is arrived, like we get a node like this 9 and x అని వచ్చింది కదా. So for this is the step for that. Okay. So after getting a node from the memory, now set new node data equal to value. new node data ni value కింద అంటే that means 9 అనేది which was added in the previous one. Set new node data equal to value and set new node next equal to null. This is the step for that. So we, after getting a node from the available list, we added some data that is 9 onto the data portion and null on the address part. So these are the initialization of a new node. Is it clear? Row number 53. Emma. So these two steps are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the next point. Set pointer equal to start. So pointer is a variable where we are supposed to initialize it equal to pointer equal to start. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మొదలెట్టాలి. We are supposed to start our searching for the last element from the first element of the linked list. Last element reach అవ్వాలంటే we are supposed to start our pointer, move our pointer till to reach the last element. How to find the last element అంటే I already told you the address part of the any particular node which contains null value, that is the last node. Okay. So for that we set pointer equal to start. So that is also we are supposed to mark it in the form of a green. Okay. Now repeat step 8 and while pointer next is not equal to null. Not equal to null. Null కానంత వరకు null అయితే we are supposed to stop there and add the new node next node to the it. But null కానంత వరకు we are supposed to move our pointer. So that's what I already asked somebody. ఎవరినో 33 నో ఇంకోళ్ళు ఎవరినో అడిగా 84 నో. So we compare our address part of the pointer to null. So 1 లో ఏముంది? What is the value that is contained in null? ఏముంది? Pointer next not equal to null అంటే pointer next అంటే ఇదేనా? Pointer points to node number 1 and pointer next is this is the value. What is the value that may be here? Roll number 87.
7, sir.
7. So this is compared with null. It may not be equal. So alaga like that we are supposed to reach till here. And whenever pointer points to this node, pointer next is null or what? Null na pointer next equal to null. ఈ node ki.
Yes, sir.
So pointer next not equal to null. While pointer next is not equal to null, set pointer equal to pointer next. Null కానంత వరకు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ఇది 7 కాబట్టి then pointer equal to pointer next. అంటే move our pointer from 1 to 7. Now compared. Not equal to null. So move pointer to pointer next. That is now pointer at 3. Now compare the address part of pointer next to null. So not null కాబట్టి then move. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత pointer next equal to null or not? Emma 87.
Null, sir.
Null కాబట్టి now both are equal కాబట్టి we stop our pointer here. Is it clear to everybody? Now what to do?
Sir.
We found that wherever pointer stops, this is the last node. So we are supposed to add the new node which is having 9 as the data value and null is the next address part. Null value as the next address part value. Then we'll add that particular new node as a last node. That particular one is nothing but this particular step. Now what to do? Set pointer next equal to new node. That means ఇక్కడ pointer next is this is the portion. Roll number 53. This is the value for pointer next. This is the location.
Yes, sir.
So ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం? New node ని యాడ్ చేయమంటున్నాం. New node is 9.
9.
So 9 is added here. So 9 becomes the last node. Why? Because the value in the next address portion of the new node is null. So whatever be the kind of node which has the value null in the address field, then that becomes the last node of the list. Kabatti. Those are the basic rules. So we will have 9 as a last node of the list. This is the algorithm for that. So hope everybody understood. And now everybody copy the algorithm, make it fast so that we'll complete insertions for today's class. Copy the algorithm. Why I marked it in 2 different colors means So this particular blue color portion till to get a is only for getting a node from the memory. Memory lonchi nodes తీసుకోవడానికి మాత్రమే ఇది blue color one. The real algorithm which help us towards adding the new node as a last node ki is green color algorithm, green color steps. Okay. Roll number 66. Are you available? 75.
Yes, sir. 66.
ఏమా అర్థమైందా నీకు?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా? Should I explain once again?
Abdomen, sir.
Now copy the algorithm
Okay, sir.
along with the diagram. Diagram is copied by you.
Yes, sir.
This portion.
Completed, sir.
B3. Have you completed diagram? B3. ఎవరో ఇంకా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. Somebody.
Sir.
B3. Are you available?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood the diagram? Diagram
I
అర్థమైందమ్మా?
understood, sir.
Have you understood the algorithm?
Abdomen.
Okay. Are you copied?
Yes, sir.
Have you copied?
Copy చేస్తున్నా, sir. Okay, sir.
C0.
హలో సార్.
అర్థమైందా బాబు? ఆల్గరిథం
హలో
అర్థమైందా?
సార్. ఎస్ సార్, కాపీ చేస్తున్నాను సార్.
ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ కాపీ చేస్తున్నాం, ఆల్గరిథం కాపీ చేస్తున్నాం.
అర్థం సార్.
డయాగ్రామ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఫాస్ట్.
ఎస్ సార్.
It's Corona time. Even there with the.
Hey, who is it?
Go on.
సందీప్.
సార్
సందీప్ ఎవరతను?
చూడలేదు సార్ నెంబర్ చూడలేదు సార్ నేను.
అదర్ దాన్ సిఆర్స్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఇన్ మ్యూట్ కండిషన్. What kind of activity it is? Who is unmuting? Other than CRs, nobody is supposed to unmute. Whenever I ask a particular roll number, then only you are supposed to unmute yourself and reply. Okay, hope this diagram is completed. Manikanta, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Now come finish this particular algorithm. Algorithm is understood by you now.
Yes, sir.
Now we will try to add a new node after a particular node which has some number. Algorithm రాస్తున్నావా రాసేసావా? Have you completed it? Roll number 86.
సార్ అయిపోయింది.
హలో సార్.
ఏమ్మా algorithm కంప్లీట్ చేసావమ్మా?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay, then we add a new node with after a node already existing in the linked list. ఒక node తర్వాత new node కి add చేయాలి. So first understood the diagram for that. So this is the diagram. So yesterday I am showing you we are supposed to move the pointers. First create a node from the memory and then adjust the pointers. So how to adjust the pointers? That's what I am supposed to show you now. Now there is a linked list with 7 different elements on it, and in the first step we are supposed to create a node from the available list and add 9 on it. Add 9 on it. Data part that is 9 on it. Now we are supposed to have 2 different pointers. One is pointer and the other one is pre-pointer. What is meant by pre-pointer? Previous node to pointer. Pre-pointer is nothing but previous node to pointer. Why should we need pre-pointer? Because we are trying to add a node next to some node. That sum is nothing but pre-pointer. ఒక నోడ్కి తర్వాత నోడ్ కింద మనం యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆ ఒక నోడ్ తర్వాత నోడ్ అంటే ఒక నోడ్ను ముందు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. సో అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ప్రీ పాయింటర్. సో we are supposed to take 2 pointer variables. One is pointer, this is the one, and the other one is pre-pointer, and both are initialized at start. Rendu start lone add chestam. Why should we need to have these 2 pointers and initialized at start? Means we are supposed to reach to a position where the node is supposed to be added. మనం ఏదో ఒక నోడ్ తర్వాత అంటున్నాం కదా, సో ఆ నోడ్ ఏంటంటే 3. సో 3 is the node. We are supposed to add new node next to 3. Next to 3 అంటే between ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది మనకంట? Next to 3 అంటే node is supposed to be
4 before.
4 before. So for that, so we need to change the 4. This particular, we need to break this particular link and add a new between these two. And 3 and 4 మధ్యన యాడ్ చేయాలి. For that, what we are supposed to do is move pointer and pre-pointer until data part of pre-pointer equal to value of the node. And this is the highlight of the this particular algorithm. What was written here is move pointer and pre-pointer until the data part of pre-pointer equal to value of the node. Which particular we are supposed to add a new node as a next node kada, insert after. What is the value? What is the algorithm is this? Algorithm to insert a new node after a node that has value num. First write this one. Algorithm to insert on the heading before this particular explanation. First write this one. Insert a new node after a node that has value num. ఒక నోడ్ తర్వాత ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయమంటున్నాం. ఏ నోడ్ అది? దట్ హ్యాస్ ద వాల్యూ దట్ ఈస్ నెంబర్. మనం ఏదో ఒక నెంబర్తో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఫస్ట్ టువర్డ్స్ ఫైండింగ్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ నెంబర్, ఆ నెంబర్ ఏంటి అంటే దట్ ఈస్ 3. ఇక్కడ 3 తర్వాత we are supposed to adding a particular value that is new node. New node ని 3 తర్వాత యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. So for that what we are doing, we initialize the pointer as well as pre-pointer at the start and move the pointer and pre-pointer until the data part of pre-pointer. So ఎక్కడైతే pre-pointer వచ్చిందో అక్కడ వరకు అక్కడ ఆ వాల్యూ మనం ఏదైతే వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద నోడ్ అంటే మనం ఏ వాల్యూ అయితే నోడ్ 3 తర్వాత అంటున్నాం అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ. 3 is the value of the node after which the insertion has to be done. ఆ నోడ్ తర్వాత పెట్టాలనుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఈ లొకేషన్ వరకు మనం మూవ్ అవ్వాలి. Our pre-pointer is supposed to be stops there where the insertion is supposed to be happens as a next node. Is it clear to everybody? Roll number 94.
Yes, sir.
మనం ఎక్కడి వరకు మూవ్ చేస్తున్నామా ప్రీ పాయింటర్ ని? we are supposed to stop our pre-pointer where the new node is to be added as a next element to the value node. నెక్స్ట్ నోడ్ కింద యాడ్ చేయాలని ఎక్కడ అనుకుంటున్నామో అక్కడ వరకు మూవ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. Now our aim is to add a node after 3. Insert a new node as a node after 3 అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి our pre-pointer stops here. ఇక్కడ ఆపుతుంది. Pointer moves to the other node. నెక్స్ట్ నోడ్ కి పాయింటర్ నెక్స్ట్ నోడ్ కి వెళ్తుంది. Now what will be here? Number 94. What is the value that is contained in the address field of 3?
4, sir.
Previous value 4. Now what is the value that is to be stored? Ante our new node is enti. What is our new node?
9, sir.
So instead of 4, if you place 9 here, this link is created. The link create avutunda 3 nunchi 9 ki.
Yes, sir.
And address field of new node that is 9 lo, if I add 4 here, this link is created.
Yes, sir.
Avutundamma?
Yes,
Now
sir.
9 node number 9 is the middle node of 3 and 4.
Yes, sir.
Row number 53, is it understood by you? Row number 53. Roll number 5.
Sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
So we change 2 pointer values. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే the next address of 3 ని instead of 4 we are marking as 9 and next address of 9 లో we are placing 4. So ఈ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమైంది? Then 9, the new node 9 is added as a node between 3 and 4. Is it clear to everybody? Roll number 67, 77. Row number 67 and 77.
Sir.
Ardhainda, concept is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So what we did is, we had a linked list with 7 different nodes and we created a new node from the available list, get a new node from the memory and add data 9 on it. These 2 steps ardhainaya. Then next, we take 2 pointer variables, one is pointer and the other one is pre-pointer, and initialized it to start. Now move the pointer and pre-pointer in such a way that pre-pointer అంటే pointer కి ముందుండేదాన్ని pre-pointer అంటాం. Pointer and pre-pointer అంటే predecessor. So predecessor to pointer, that is pre-pointer ఎక్కడైతే స్టాప్ చేస్తాం, where the value is supposed to be identified. We are supposed to add a new node next to that particular node which contains the value. అంటే 3 అని తర్వాత యాడ్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి pre-pointer stops where the node is to be added, new node is to be added, that is 9 is added as a next node to 3. Now what we do, the pre-pointer where the pre-pointer points, ఆ node యొక్క address field లో new node పెడతాం, new node address field లో పాయింటర్ ఏదైతే పాయింట్ చేస్తుందో దాన్ని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తాం. Now 9 is added between 3 and 4. Now this is the linked list with 8 values, 8 different nodes. Is it clear to everybody? Inserting an element after a given node in a linked list. Am I అర్థమైందా? 67.
Yes, sir.
C0, B0, C0 and B0.
Yes, sir.
I understood. Now we'll go back to the algorithm. So this is the algorithm. This portion is clear to everybody. Now these are the steps for getting a node from the memory. These are the nodes for getting a node from the memory. I am changing it to some other color like blue color. So now if avail equal to null, write overflow just like the previous steps. Go to step 12. What was written here? Step 12 equal to exit. Otherwise, and if set new node equal to avail and avail equal to next avail. This is the regular steps. Okay. Now these are the steps which are related to our inserting new node as a next element to some value. అంటే 3 అని తెలియాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీఆర్ సపోజ్ టు, మనం జనరల్గా 4 అని 9 అని కుర్రోడు అనుకోండి, 3 and 4 మధ్యన ఉన్నారు, వీళ్ళందరినీ ఒక స్టూడెంట్స్ అనుకోండి, ఫర్ బెటర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ చెప్తున్నా. 9 నువ్వు వెళ్ళి 3 తర్వాత కూర్చోవయ్యా అని చెప్పడం అన్నమాట. దిస్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్ ఎ న్యూ నోడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఎ నోడ్ దట్ హ్యాస్ వాల్యూ నెంబర్. One sec. Now is it clear, everybody? The example which was explained to you, ఏం చెప్తున్నాను మణికంఠ? 3 and 4, 1 2 3 4 వరుసనే ఉన్నారు. 9 అని స్టూడెంట్ కొత్త అతను అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ 9 is the student new one. నువ్వు 3 తర్వాత కూర్చోవయ్యా అని చెప్పాను అనుకో నేను. సో అప్పుడు 3 అతను ఎక్కడ కూర్చుంటాడు? వీఆర్ సపోజ్ టు మేక్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్, కొంత ప్లేస్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి బిట్వీన్ 3 and 4 సో దట్
3 and 4.
9 వెళ్ళి 3 తర్వాత కూర్చుంటాడు. సో 9 తర్వాత ఎవరు ఉంటారు? అల్టిమేట్లీ 4. సో ద సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ విచ్ వీఆర్ ఫాలోయింగ్ హియర్. సెట్ న్యూ నోడ్ డేటా ఈక్వల్ టు వాల్యూ, దట్ ఈస్ 9 అనేది ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేసాం. సెట్ పాయింటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్టార్ట్, సెట్ ప్రీ పాయింటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు పాయింటర్. repeat steps 8 and 9 while pre-pointer data is not equal to number. What is this number here? What is the value for number as far as example concerned? Number ante ente ekkada? What is the value for number? Ekkada apesam mana pre-pointer ni? Manikanta?
3 దగ్గర
3 దగ్గర. That means here in the algorithm, what is the value for number ante ikkada em cheptam? The value for number equal to 3. Now set for pre-pointer equal to pointer. Set pointer is equal to pointer next. Set pointer equal to pointer next. Pointer ni మార్చుతున్నాం. అక్కడ వరకు అంటే set pre-pointer equal to pointer అంటే we are moving. సో అంతవరకు ఏం చేయమంటున్నాం అనేది ఇది. Initially our pointer and pre-pointer are here. Set pointer equal to next element కి మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ కి అలా మూవ్ చేసుకుంటే వేర్ వీఆర్ స్టాపింగ్ వేర్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రీ పాయింటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు నెంబర్. ఆ నెంబర్ దగ్గర ఆపుతున్నాం కాబట్టి అక్కడ వరకు వీఆర్ సపోజ్ టు మూవ్. అక్కడ వరకు సెట్ పాయింటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఇది దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్. సెట్ ప్రీ పాయింటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు పాయింటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు పాయింటర్ నెక్స్ట్ అలా మూవ్ చేస్తాం. ఎండ్ ద లూప్. ఎక్కడ వరకు లూప్ అయిపోయింది. నౌ వీఆర్ ఎట్ our pre-pointer is at number దగ్గర ఆగింది. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? pre-pointer next equal to new node. That means ఏం చేసాం ఇక్కడ pre-pointer next లో ఏం చేసాం? What is the value that was added? సింధు, pre-pointer next లో new node పెట్టా, that is 9, and new node next లో ఏం పెట్టాం?
అడ్రస్ ఆఫ్
పాయింటర్. అంతేనా?
yes sir.
ఇదే పెడుతున్నాం. న్యూ నోడ్ నెక్స్ట్ లో we are keeping the value that is pointer. So that's what the steps here. Set pre-pointer next equal to new node and new node set new node next equal to pointer. So these are the two different values. So I will make it in green. So with these two steps we are adding the new node 9 in between 3 and 4. Is it clear to everybody? And we are almost exit. ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జిట్ అవుతాం? ఓవర్ఫ్లో అయితే ఎగ్జిట్ అవుతాం and we are end of the algorithm. So is it clear to everybody? The algorithm is clear. Everybody copy the algorithm. 47.
సార్
అర్థమవుతుందా? నువ్వు ఎక్కడన్నా ఉన్నావమ్మా? ఇంట్లో ఉన్నావా?
ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాను సార్.
క్లాస్ వింటున్నావా?
వింటున్నాను సార్.
అర్థమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Have you understood the diagram which was explained here?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Now copy it.
కాపీ చేస్తున్నాను.
Now everybody do it as an assignment. ఇది insert after ఏ కదా? Insert before ని as an assignment and copy it from your textbook. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఈ నోట్స్ ఇచ్చాను కాబట్టి this algorithm we are supposed to copy and along with the diagram ఇది insert a node before a given node. ఇప్పుడు 3 అనేది నోడ్ ఉంది. నేను కొత్తగా వచ్చిన నోడ్ నెంబర్ 9 ని 3 కి కన్నా ముందు కూర్చోవయ్యా అన్నాను అనుకో, ఎక్కడ కూర్చుంటాడు మణికంట? 2 కి 3 కి మధ్యన వాయిస్ నాట్ క్లియర్ అమ్మా. 2 కి 3 కి మధ్యన ఉంటాడు, అంతేనా? This is something like that. Inserting a node before a given node in a linked list. So that is what happening here. So this is the algorithm. You copy the algorithm along with the diagram. Tomorrow, it's better not to waste time towards copying. So once you people are having the copied data, I will simply explain the algorithm to you. Okay? Okay. So tomorrow we don't have a class, so we'll meet on Monday. Okay, hope everybody understood it. Here I am stopping the class. Okay? End the class now. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay, hope everybody understood it. We'll meet on Monday at 10 o'clock. Thank you. Thank you for it.
Thank you.